Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to voice call on Element. So once you're logged into your Element account, the first thing you need to do is open a chat. This can be a direct message with a friend or a room that you have joined in. Voice calling works in both, but it's usually easier to start with a direct chat. So inside the chat, you want to look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a call icon or a telephone icon. Go ahead and click that, and it'll start a voice call with the person. And if they are online, they'll get a notification and you can join right away. But if you're in a room or group chat, the process is actually pretty similar. All you have to do is just open the room and tap the call button right over here. Just simply tap that. And depending on the setup, it may start a group call where multiple people can join in. And by the way, you have two options: voice calling, element call, or legacy call. So always choose element call in this instance. And once the call starts, you'll see basic controls like mute, unmute, and end call. You can also switch devices if needed, like using your headset or microphone. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that Element uses the Matrix network, so call quality can depend on your connection and the server being used. But overall, it works really well for both one-on-one and group voice chats. And basically, that's it. That's how you make a voice call on Element. It's simple, secure, and a great alternative if you're looking for something different from Discord. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.